Hello and welcome back to Let's Learn Excel. Now, let us see how to get input from user via keyboard, which is oftenly called as stdin. Now, let us start one program, start writing one program. Let us name it as input.c. I have already created one blank input.c file. Now, let us try this input. Include stdio stdio.h. Now int main, this is the main function. Then yes, now here we will try to get some input from the user. Now let we store it in the variable called a character variable. Say some name, character name, 10 characters length, okay, equal to space. Now let us get some input from user. For this we have to use getS. GetS is a function and argument is the name of the variable. Now in this case name of the variable is name here. Now close the bracket. Okay. Now now we will see whether this getS works or no. Now name we had defined it as a 10 character array. Now we will get the name. Before that we will have a printf statement saying please enter your name. Please enter your name. Right? So now this printf will print one prompt saying that please enter your name, and then it waits for the user to enter the name. Right? Now we will see what it has printed, accepted. %s \n comma name, right? Enter. Okay, shall we try? Save, open the compiler, gcc input dot c dash o input. Okay, no errors. Input. Right. Now the computer waits, has displayed one prompt saying please enter your name, and it is waiting for the input. The cursor is there. Now I will type Anand here, okay, and press enter. Now see, the computer has accepted this name into the variable name and it is displayed now. Now what will happen if we enter more characters? We'll let us run this program again. Input. Now we'll say Arnold and Arnold. We say Dr. Arnold. Now how many characters it is? Exactly 10 characters. No, it is 11 characters. 12 characters. Now we will display. See, it has printed, it has accepted Dr. Arnold, which is 12 characters long, but we have specified the length of the array as 10. This is very dangerous because it may accept anything, whatever you type on the screen. So to avoid this, to restrict the user to enter the maximum of 10 characters, what we will need to do is we have to use another function. The function is called as fgets. F fgets. Now here, what are the parameters required for fgets is name of the variable. Name of the variable is name here. Then how many characters maximum? Let us define 8 here. Okay. Uh, and then stdin should be mentioned because this fget s is a common function used for getting input from a file also. So in that case we have to specify instead of stdin we have to specify the file details here, file pointer. Okay. Now let us check whether how many characters it has accepted. Printf percentage s backslash n comma name. Now we will just comment this getS so that this getS won't execute this too. Now the computer will print please enter your name and it will wait for the user to enter the name. I have asked to get maximum of 8 characters here. So now let us compile and check this whether this works correctly. There are no compile errors. Input, enter your name. Now I will type the same name and we will check. Dr. Arnold. Right. So here it has accepted only doctor and A. Right. So 7 characters and including the end of line character. Right. So the total is 8. Okay. Now besides these two functions getS and fgetS, we generally require more function than this to handle the string data. So because we know that only character and integer are the two base data types defined in C. All these extra functions they have been defined extra functions required for string handling. They are defined in the header file called string.h. So let us include string.h here. Include string.h. Right. So now we can access all the string functions which have been defined in the string.h. Main there are various functions. We will see the important ones. We have a function to copy one string to another string. One string to another string at the limiting number of characters. Then finding out length of the string. How many characters are there. Then we have another function called strcat which will concatenate. Strcat is concatenate, that is it will join two variables. Okay, two variables or two strings into one variable. Now let us try to use string length function here. So string length of name function, name variable. Okay, the name variable. So printf is we'll say have has characters slash n. Okay. Slash n. Right. A comma. Now, since we have mentioned two format specifiers here, we have to give two the variables. One is name and another is string length. So, uh, we can give directly string length function here. We can directly call. Otherwise, we can create a variable and then store the answer of the string length to that variable. Right now, we will use directly here. No need of this here. Okay. No, this is the end. Now, let us check. Let us compile and check. GCC input.c dash o input. We'll execute it. Input. So enter your name. We'll say Dr. Arnold. Dr. Arnold has 7 characters. Why? Because we have entered a 12 here. See, previously we got this name input from the user, that is 8 characters. Then we had this printf statement. So this will show it as 7, correct? Previously it had shown 8 because we are limiting it to 8 characters. One character will be a null character, that is \0, which is not printed, not recognized, and string length does not take into account the presence of \0, that is a null character, whereas size of name will count that null character also. Now we will check how the string copy works. Suppose now we have another variable called char name2. Okay, this is the second name, equal to, we'll initialize it to blank. Now here in this case, whatever name variable has, that is a name variable has, we have to copy this into name2 variable. Okay, string copy. Here the two parameters are required. One is the destination, another is the source. Destination, in this case it will be name2, because we want to copy the contents of the variable name which the user has entered into name2, right? Name. Now we will print name2 and check. Name2 contains %s \n name2, right? So let us execute and check. Yes, this now name is having 7 characters, that is 6 doctor and 1 a. Okay, 7 characters. And now since we have used string copy function, whatever the contents of name variable were copied into name2, right? Now there is another function to copy only the fixed specific number of characters from the source to the destination. That function is called strncpy. Same here, name to name, and say for example first three characters, three, right? Printf name to three characters copied r percentage s backslash n comma name to, right? Now we will compile and check this. See, oh, name to three characters copied are Dr. A. So now there is another function in strings.h that is important one also, that is concatenation of strings. What is concatenation? Concatenation is joining of two strings into one. So the name of the function is strcat, strcat. This requires a destination. For example, now here in this example, name to, and source will be name. That is name to, whatever the contents of name to are there, they will remain as it is. Additional, the contents of the name variable will be added to name to at the end of the name to variable. Now we have to take care that name to, the size of the name to should be more than the name and the original contents. That is, now since we have defined character size name to as 10, we will increase it to say 30, right? Now here what should put in that Dr. Arnold 12 characters plus 12 characters, it will be equal to 24 characters. So minimum of 24 characters, we should have the size of the character array name to in this case only. So in real practice, we make sure that these variables have been allotted the sufficient amount of the memory, right? So now what will happen is, name to after strcpy, name to will contain three characters, that is doc, but name has still the entire string Dr. Arnold, right? So let us check by executing this. Let us print it and check. Now name to after strcat is backslash n name to, right? Shall we check now? You will have to compile it again. DCC input dot c dash o input, right? Input. Right. See, string copy we used name to, it contained the Dr. A only, because we had restricted to copy only 8 characters, right? So name to after strn copy, we gave instruction to copy only the 3 characters. So name to now contains only string doc. Now after string concatenation strcat, the name variable had Dr. Arnold, and now the doc was there already in name 2. Now Dr. A has been appended to this because name contains now only Dr. A, not the entire name, right? Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful and informative, make sure to like the video, to show your support. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts and ask questions. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Share this video with friends who might need it. If you encountered any issues or have any problems, please let me know in the comment section. I am here to help.